This is the tightest parking space I have ever seen. The car in front is over the line. The car behind is over the line. You have two choices: drive away in shame, or learn the secret of curb creeping. Let's do this. Normal methods fail here. You need finesse. You need the curb creep. Don't pull up parallel. Instead, angle your car more sharply. You want your back wheel to be as close to the curb at the front of the space as possible. Get close. I mean really close. You're basically claiming the space before you're even in it. Now, reverse while turning the wheel hard. But here's the key. Your eyes are glued to your left side mirror. You're not looking over your shoulder. You're watching the curb in that mirror. The moment you see the curb start to disappear behind your car, stop. You won't be straight. That's the point. Now, it's time for the wiggle. Go forward while turning towards the curb, then reverse while turning away. One wiggle forward, one wiggle back. Each time you're straightening out and inching deeper into the space. Use your parking sensors or camera as your guide. Phew, the curb creep saves the day. But what if your car doesn't have sensors or a camera? Don't panic. We have a video all about using your mirrors like a fighter jet pilot. It's our most watched video ever, and it's right here. Click it. And if you want to learn these skills for real, book a lesson with Prestige Driving School. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more secrets.